Crusader Hose is once again proudly celebrating Australian-made week. Hi, I'm Francois Stevlink, Managing Director at Crusader Hose. We've been manufacturing layflat hose here in Bayswater, Victoria for over 36 years. We know what that means to us, but do you know what that means for you? By buying Australian-made layflat hose, you not only support us, but many other Aussie businesses too. Some of our raw materials are sourced from Dandenong. We use accountancy services in the CBD. When we need tooling, we turn to a local Bayswater supplier, and all our consumables are purchased from a shop just around the corner. Furthermore, the wages paid to our employees are spent at local shops like supermarkets and cafes, and on local services like hairdressers and healthcare. So you see, the money you spend on Australian-made products stays here in Australia and does the rounds many times over. This is what is called the multiplier effect. Make sure you join in the celebration and support Australian-made.